This is how to remove an object in Adobe Photoshop. Let's say for the picture or image, we have a group of people and we would like to remove, let's say, the table or all of these objects. So there's a couple different ways you can do so. Go to the left-hand screen, click on Clone Stamp Tool or Pattern Stamp Tool, click on S on your keyboard. As you can see here, you want to hold down Alt, click somewhere where there's a white color, let's say here. So hold down Alt and click, and now click where you would like to remove the object. As you can see, we want to make sure that our image, right click, is rasterize. And now do the same thing. Go over to somewhere you would like to copy the color to remove the object. Hold down Alt and click. And then now drag your mouse over here. See how it's removing the object? Go back and do that, because as we can see, if we're moving down, it's taking this and applying it to here. And that's how you can remove an object. You can adjust the bracket key on your keyboard of your choice. See how it's gotten her face? So we want to click the left bracket key to make it smaller. Alt and do the same exact thing completely for free in Adobe Photoshop. Here's the before. And here's the after.